Today we are going to do a topic, and that is Indian Contract Act 1872. In this topic we are going to learn about three important definitions, and we will understand the basic concept about Indian Contract Act. So to start with, first we will start with the definition of Indian contract under the Indian Contract Act 1872. According to Section 2, subsection H of Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement enforceable by law is contract. So as you can read the definition and we can see, contract term contains two things or two elements, that is an agreement and it should be enforceable by law. To start with a basic example, like you start your daily chores, a milkman or buying a toothbrush or a toothpaste, we in a daily needs of life, we also do contract with each other. Like I am buying milk from the milkman, he gives me the milk and I am giving him the money in return. This is also a contract and it is enforceable by law. If he did not give me the milk as much I have given the money, I can sue him or file a complaint against him in the court of law or in a police station. So see, it is enforceable. But as it contains two terms, an agreement and enforceability by law, let us first discuss about agreement and the term promise. First we will do the term promise and then we will learn about agreement. So here is the term promise. According to section 2b, a proposal when accepted becomes a promise. In short, promise is equal to proposal plus acceptance of proposal. In short, proposal, one person is giving you some offer or proposal, and when the another one is accepting, becomes a promise. Suppose in this picture, as we can see, two persons are standing. One is asking, will you buy a car for rupees 10k, and the other one is responding to his proposal that yes, I would like to purchase your car for rupees 10,000. So one is offering something and another one is accepting it. So the promiser, one is the promiser and the another one is promisee. Both the parties are promising each other, but when the proposal is accepted by another person, it becomes a promise. Now we will see the definition of agreement. According to section 2, subsection E, agreement is defined as every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. So as we have already seen the term promise means proposal plus acceptance of proposal becomes promise, and here in agreement, every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other. So consideration means something in written. As in the previous example, we saw one was offering the car for rupees 10,000 and another accepted the proposal for rupees 10,000 for buying the car. The promiser here will give the car and take the money in return, and here he will give the money and take the car. So there is an agreement between the two parties, as they have promised something each other, that one person will give the car and the other person will give the money. So they are exchanging something. Like in barter system, we used to exchange goods for goods, services for services. There is consideration also. But nowadays, as we use money, we take money from another person and give or provide him the goods or services. So there is an agreement between two parties, but agreement is based on promise. As you know, definition of contract, every agreement and promise enforceable by law is a contract. This definition is given by Sir Frederick Pollock. In short, a contract must have two elements, that is an agreement, and it should be enforceable by law. Enforceability by law means what? You can file a legal action against the person. In the previous example, as we saw, a promisor gave the car to the promisee, but the promisee, if does not give the money to the promisor, he can file a legal action. He can file a suit in the court of law against him. This agreement is enforceable by law. So when an agreement between the two parties is enforceable by law, it becomes a contract. So hope the three terms and the definition is clear and you know the meaning of contract now. Thank you.